Hello tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Dealing with a broken screen on your phone is a troublesome thing. Sometimes, our phone accidentally falls on the ground, causing screen damage. It becomes very difficult to make a call or open important documents during that time. However, you don't need to worry, then iMyFone mirrorto is the solution you need. Experience seamless mirroring of broken screen Android devices on your PC with iMyFone mirrorto, a top-notch mirroring app. In this video, I'll guide you on how to take full use of your Android phone with a broken screen on your PC using iMyFone mirrorto. Let's get started. Part 1. Mirror your Android screen to PC. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone mirrorto on your PC. Step 2. Launch mirrorto and connect your phone to your PC with a USB cable. Step 3. On your phone, go to Settings, Software Information, click Build number 7 times to enable developer options. Step 4. Then go to Settings Developer option, enable USB debugging. Step 5. Choose your device to connect on mirrorto. Now you can see your phone screen on the computer. Part 2. Control your Android phone on PC. Step 1. Click and enable the mouse control feature on the toolbar of mirrorto. This feature is available to mirrorto VIP members. Now you can run the apps on your Android with the mouse. You can enjoy mobile TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat directly on the PC. Step 2. You can also use your keyboard to play games on your computer after enabling the keyboard mapping feature. You can text your friends, leave comments on social media, type to search what you want, etc. And you can take full control of your Android phone on PC using mirrorto. Step 3. Mirrorto also allows you to customize the keyboard to your preference. The keyboard settings will be saved automatically for your next gaming time. This is the simplest way to experience seamless mirroring of broken screen Android devices on your PC with iMyFone mirrorto. Find the link to download iMyFone mirrorto in the description below and try it now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck!